In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on MoneyGram step by step. Get the CoinMe app. CoinMe partners with MoneyGram to let you buy Bitcoin directly online. Create your account, sign up in the app, and complete the quick ID check. Start your purchase. In the app, tap Buy, choose MoneyGram, and enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like. Pay online. Add your debit card, credit card, or bank details, then confirm the payment. Receive Bitcoin instantly. Once the transaction goes through, your Bitcoin is delivered right into your CoinMe wallet. By the way, if you're looking for a smarter alternative to MoneyGram, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. It's hands down one of the best ways to send money, whether it's within the US or to friends and family overseas. Right now, they're running an exclusive offer. Sign up using the link below and your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free with zero fees. Wise consistently beats banks and other payment services on fees and exchange rates, and the reviews speak for themselves. Best part? Creating an account is 100% free and takes just a few minutes. So if you want to save money every time you send money, click the link in the description, create your free Wise account, and grab your free $800 transfer today.